welcome. Welcome back. Thiago here. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings like this one. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing. With this said, let's start the review of the MOZA Mini MX2. In this video, I'm gonna tell you what's different from the Mini MX to the Mini MX2. And guys, it's a lot different. First impressions you got the box and you see, oh, it's the same gimbal, but just hold on a minute and just watch this review and I will tell you the big difference. And guys, it's a massive difference. Here it is. So I have the last year. So this is the last year MOZA Mini. As you guys can see, it's a solid gimbal in my opinion. So let's unbox it and we're gonna go through the comparison between them. That small difference, it makes the whole experience of using the Mini MX2 a lot different. Let's start with the price. The MOZA Mini MX2 will be available from the 28th of September with a price tag of $109. So it is $20 more expensive than the last year Mini MX. Moving to the unboxing experience, like last year's, nothing different here. We have the Mini MX2 on the center of the box, a quick manual, and another quick manual about the app. A very short USB-A to USB-C cable, plus a strap to put around your wrist so you don't drop your Mini MX2. On the small box, we have a bag to keep your gimbal safe, plus the tripod. That's exactly the same of last year. And that's it. The build quality is great like last year's one. The Mini MX2 weighs 423 grams. It's 11 grams more heavier than the Mini MX. The dimensions are similar, with the Mini MX2 being different only when folded by 10 millimeters. On the front, we have LED for battery indication, 2 zoom buttons. On the center, the power button that works for start recording as well, or to change from portrait mode to landscape mode. And above that, the joystick. On the left side, the USB-C port for charging and the reset button. On the back, we have the smart trigger. So, all of this is pretty much like the Mini MX. Let's have a look now at the phone holder, where the magic happens. The Mini MX2 is the first electric Auto Sense phone holder gimbal. What that means? Well, this means that the Mini MX2 will be able to detect phones easily and precisely and will automatically release and clamp your phone. But that's all. It will be auto-balancing as well. And let me tell you guys, that is the feature that makes the gimbal the best in my opinion. We all know how hard it is to put a phone and balance it on a gimbal. Let's see how it works more in depth. Using the built-in smart sensor, the phone holder can detect the phone precisely and clamp or release it automatically. All we need to do is place the phone in the center of the holder and the clamps will automatically close and balance. Let's see how quick it is to set up the MOZA Mini MX2 against the MOZA Mini MX. Now that we talk about the principal feature, let's see what else changed. The Mini MX2 has an upgrade of the anti-shake algorithm, so the stabilization is now even better. The smart transition enables you to transit from portrait mode to landscape mode in a second, ideal for TikTok. The MOZA Mini MX2 is a solid gimbal with one of the best stabilities on the market. Now, super easy to use as well. And just before we finish, let's not forget about the great app that comes with this gimbal, Gemini app. It's a powerful all-in-one photo and video app with a wide variety of shooting templates and the easy editing process. The MOZA Mini MX2 combined with the Gemini app has so many advanced shooting modes like panorama, fast tracking, inception mode, time-lapse, and so on. And great news! The app is going to be updated very soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's it, guys. This was my review on the MOZA Mini MX2. A gimbal that, although is not a lot different from last year, has one amazing feature. And for me, that's a game changing. Just because you can, for example, now I'm talking with you guys and I just press the button, the gimbal turns on, I put the phone on the phone holder, I keep talking with you guys, and the gimbal is ready to rock. Again, when I finish, I keep talking with you guys and just press the two buttons, take the phone, and that's it. So guys, if you like this review, please give this video a thumbs up. It will help the channel a lot. With this said, I wish you guys a lovely day and I'll catch you later.